Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio update. Always a mouthful to say that. Portfolio, doing okay. Still down as you'll see, but had a decent kind of end to the week on the market, which is good. US markets closed on Monday. It's Memorial Day. Canadian markets are open, so I will be continuing with my dollar cost averaging. $100 every week, as you know, goes into the TFSA. That will carry on Monday. I will post that for the channel members, which stocks and ETFs I do buy with that. But without further ado, thanks for watching and let's get into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA. As you can see, we're up, had a good decent day on Friday, which was nice to see. Hopefully it continues on next week. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But the portfolio is up over $20,000, which is awesome. Still down all time on this one, but it's nice to hit that mark, a bit of motivation coming into going into the investing. So here we go. Let's go and see. So this was a new thing that actually popped up, stock lending, that popped up the other day. I have that turned off. Let me know in the comments if you have that turned on. I don't think any of the stocks that I own would be possibly even lent out. That's kept off. Anyways, let's go it. We'll do total value on everything. BAM, Brookfield Asset Management, that's that StreamYard challenge every month. That's actually coming up next week. I will put in the equivalent of $25 US into BAM, purchase fractional share, and we're up, we're down 3.15%, $5.42, but $166.52. That is the money that would actually have been gone to StreamYard. So kind of nice to see, extra $166.52, which would normally have been gone. So BEP.UN, that's Brookfield Renewables, down 2.18%, $22.60. We have 24 shares of that though. $1,014 even. Whoops, we'll go back here. And BN, this is actually a position that I've been starting to add to. I've been kind of focusing on this. I think there's been a bit of growth with this one, so I've actually added a few shares of that. And if we go back here, actually, we are up to 7.5383 shares, down just 0.30%, which is nice. I'm trying to be adding this. I probably will add to that on Monday as well. BTC.Y, 283 shares, down 6.86%. As you know, Bitcoin can be Bitcoin. That's definitely a volatile ETF, but does pay that yield, and that has actually almost doubled from the last one, which is nice. So we're up. Well, we're not up. We're down 6.86%, $74.85. We're up on what the balance is $1,015.97 on BTC.Y. CMC. This one's a write-off. I haven't sold this one. I've been debating whether just to get rid of this, but it's only $7.50, so I might as well. I'm just going to leave it. I don't think that $10 putting that anywhere is going to help. Under $10. Diversified Royalty Corp. This one's taken a bit of a drop recently. This is actually a position I do want to add to. So there's some opportunity there. We're up though to 215 shares, down 6.06%. $39.50, so balance $612.75. Still paying those regular dividends. Nice, just a little bit of dividend coming in from that one. Almost enough, I think, to buy one share. That's kind of the goal to get to each month. ETC, that's the Evolve Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. Haven't added to this position in a long time. Down 47.16%, $656.39 for the balance of $735.30. Greenlane Renewables, again, not doing that well. These small cap, these are definitely more speculative plays for sure. 1,359 shares, so down just over 70%, $932.22. That one does hurt. RNW, down 21.15%, $246.52. I have 72 shares of TransAlta Renewables. Slate Office REIT, another one that got hit this month. The Office REIT's just not doing well. 144 shares, down 57%, $399, almost $400. That one does hurt as well. I was debating to actually sell that. I think I mentioned before, and I mentioned in the live streams. I just didn't catch it in time. TELUS hasn't been doing that great lately. Down a little bit here at 5.71%, $41.52. This is a position I'll probably add more to as I'm able to, but again, it's kind of stinks to see that one come down. TELUS was doing quite well. Tesla is doing great. If you've been watching the market, Tesla doing quite well. 36 shares. This is the CDR of Tesla, up 17.37%, $96.56. So that's awesome. Nice to see some green in the portfolio, of course. And VDY, that's the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. Banks have been taking a bit of a hit. This one is heavily weighted in the Canadian financials. That's probably why I'm seeing a bit of a drop here, I think. Haven't added to this position lately, been focusing more on XEQT, but on VDY, just over 89.696 shares, fractional share, down 1.19%, not too bad, $44.31. VFE doing great. This is the one I have. I haven't added to this one as well, focusing on XEQT, a bit more diversification, but we're actually doing pretty good. We are up 4.36%. Happy about that. $168.35. Good return again on Friday, just over 1%, which is nice to see in VFV. And XEQT, this is the main holdings of the portfolio now. And we are up just a little bit, 0.37% on 183 shares. I've been focusing on dollar cost averaging into this one each week. I will do that again on Monday. Not super exciting, just putting money in like clockwork. So we are up to 183 shares, up $17.59. on XEQT. Last but not least, the Tesla yield shares from Purpose. This one again, because Tesla did so well this past week on Friday, have 50 shares of that. I'm not going to be adding in any more to this holding. Just happy with what it's doing. The dividends coming in each month, up 14.83%, $139.56 on the Tesla yield shares. Let's go back to the beginning here. We'll scroll up and just show how the portfolio is doing all told. So up on the past day, Friday, when this was filming this on the weekend, obviously, up 1.08% on the day, $217.63. On the week though, we were up just kind of just flat on the from the past whole week, 0.34%, $69.71. On the month, we're going to be down a little bit, 0.69%, $141.01. Past 3 months, down 0.44%, $90.05. And then we're going to see the year. This is we're going to see some red from those unfortunate shares and stocks that I do hold. The past year down 2.51%, $523.59. And all time on the portfolio down 6.87%, $1,501.63. So portfolio balance $20,353.11, soon to be up another $100 adding into that on Monday. Pretty happy with this. Obviously, always want to kind of see that we're in the green all the time, but that doesn't always work out. But again, everything I have is a long-term hold. No plans to have to use these funds for at least 10 years. So pretty happy with how things are kind of starting to go and get invested. All right, well, there we go. That is the portfolio for the week. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Let me know in the comments. This is a great time if you've bought anything this week, sold anything. I've been following along on a few people on Blossom. I know some of the tech stocks have been doing quite great. Nvidia was one of those, and I think a lot of people have sold those and for a bit of profit. But so if you bought anything, if you sold anything, let me know in the comments. It's always interesting to hear what people are doing with their portfolios. That's all, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. It's the weekend, and hopefully you enjoy it. We'll be back on Monday. We will have the live streams going. I have been super busy at work. I'm debating actually just to take maybe the next week off live streams. We'll see, but you can catch those if I do go on live. It's usually on Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45. I will post the video on the channel, and you can always join in if you join live. If not, you can always catch those replays. So thanks for watching. I'm rambling. Have a good rest of the weekend and happy investing.